Hello again, reception. So this is the first of our maths lessons. And here's my little sign. You've all seen these, so we know we're doing maths. Okay. I thought we'd start with a song. So can you show me your fingers? Have you got some fingers? I wonder if you know how many have you got there? This song is all about counting. Are you ready? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Did you enjoy that? Excellent. Okay, so today we're going to learn about counting, and we're going to be counting objects today, and we're going to be thinking of our top tips for counting a set of objects, so a group of things. Okay, now to help us, I thought I'd choose an object that's going to link it, that's going to be like our book. And if I show you down here, I found, what can you see? Oh, I found some snail shells. So I thought that could help us with our counting. How many can you see? How many have I put out there already? How would you count them? Well, to start with, we need to count them one by one. Okay, so I'm going to count them one by one. 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 shells. Did you spot what I did there with my finger? Every time I counted, I put my finger on each object. So, watch again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the last thing that you need to learn is that we count from left to right. And I've started on this side and I counted across this way. Okay, so watch again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, the number 3, we know. I wonder if you know how to write the number 3. I'm going to show you how to write the number 3. Here it is. Can you remember what we say for the number 3? We say, around the tree, that's the way we make a 3. Now, you might want to try it on a bit of paper, or you can try it with your finger in the air. Okay? So we go around the tree, that's the way we make a 3. Very good. Okay, shall we count a bigger number of shells this time? Let's have a look. Go down again here to my bit of paper. I'm going to put some shells out, but this time I'm going to just put some shells here, and I'm going to make sure that this would be a bit tricky for me to count, wouldn't it? Because if you look, they're all grouped together. And I liked it when they were in a line because it made it easier for me to count. So I think that could be one of our top tips, couldn't it? So I'm going to put my shells in a line to make it easier for me to count. There we go. I wonder if you can think, have I got more or less than 3 this time? Not sure. That's going to be another one of our lessons a bit later in the week. More or less. Okay, ready? Now, who remembers our top tips for counting? Look at my finger. I'm going to point to each shell, and I'm going to go left to right and count one at a time. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should we check? Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Okay. Excellent counting, reception. I'm going to rub out my 3 because to do a 6 is a bit different, isn't it? Here's my 6. Down, down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Okay, put it here for you. Down we go and make a loop. Number 6 makes a hoop. Fantastic. Okay, so your challenge for today is to show me your fantastic counting skills. I'm going to share with your parents how they can take a picture or record you doing your counting skills, so they can hopefully use their phone or device to show me exactly what you've been doing. Hopefully you've learned how to count. I'm just going to remind you again of our top tips. Okay, so if I look down at the shelves, tip number 1. Put your objects into a line. Tip number 2, count them one at a time. And tip number 3, count them from left to right. Okay, so you can choose objects around your house. You could maybe, if you've got something that you really like playing with, you could get some Lego pieces and you could put some Lego pieces in a line. You could do some Lego people. You could find some cars if you like playing with cars. You could find some books. You could put some books out and count how many books you've got. If you can write the number of objects, that would be fantastic. See how I wrote the number 6 because I had 6 shells. All right. And if you can remember those top tips, that would be fantastic too. I can't wait to see the wonderful learning you're doing at home.